My name is Aylin Kertik. I'm a Senior Customer Solution Architect at Materialise, and I work with co-AM partnership projects where we make the most of bringing end-to-end solutions to the market together with our partners to give the best value to our customers. Co-AM is the platform for additive manufacturing. Our vision is, right now you have different software components in the industry doing different parts of the additive manufacturing flow. But what we want to do with co-AM is to make it into a single platform where, as a user, you tap into the parts that you need, that you're interested in for your workflow, and you make the most of the software that we have to offer from a single platform. But it doesn't end there, because there are things that Materialise does and there are things that our partners do, like DyeMansion makes post-processing machines, which means that to give better value to our customers, we work together, the customer gets additional value, 1 + 1 = 3, and the customer will receive a complete end-to-end environment where they can see their process from the very beginning until the very end. For us, DyeMansion is the right partner because DyeMansion is targeting the post-processing and automation of post-processing side of additive manufacturing. Post-processing is a very important part of the additive manufacturing flow, and it cannot be seen as a separate aspect. Everything has to be connected and end-to-end. With DyeMansion, we see the openness towards making this a reality, having a complete connected solution together, and the expertise in enabling the connectivity, the integration that we're looking for at the end of the day to provide the best value to our users.